Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P2015N printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP LaserJet P2015N printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and go to our first link. Open the first link. Open the whatever first link is, and HP official website is open. Here we find HP LaserJet P2015N printer. Okay, and here we find our operating system and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select operating system with the Windows, and in version select Windows 10 32-bit if machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit, then click on the updates, and this page goes to refresh. And after that, here we find our drivers. Here we find two options: driver, universal printer driver, expanded. Okay, and what is this HP in printer driver? All old HP printers are used HP universal printer drivers. This is an old technology, and all old printers use that technology. That's why we are going to install these drivers. Go to the HP universal printer driver for Windows PostScript or PCL6. Both are same. I go with the first name or the first download and click on the download. It's redirect to the another page, and download is started at the top. Here we find download is started. Go to the downloads, click on the show in folder. Our download is completed. Click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop and close it. Here we find our zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's extracted. A new folder is created on desktop. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, and click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. I center it. Here we find many options. Go to the first option, add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes, close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click it here, and if you find any port name USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you find. Select any USB port, click on the next. Click on Havadix, click on the browse, go to the desktop. Here we find our newly extracted folder. Double click on it, select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file and click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find HP Universal Printing PS and PS with the version number. Select anyone, this one or this one. Select anyone that you want and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP LaserJet P2015N. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to install this printer properly on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet P2015N, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.